Good morning, my name is Zara Cooper, and this is my presentation for construction materials and practice. As you can see in this first slide, I have gone with the cork house. I chose this structure for its unique material being cork. Even though cork is a type of wood, it is very unique in composition and the way it is used, as it is usually used in wine bottles, coasters, or pinboards to name a few. However, the architect has given it purpose within this structure. As cork is usually used in everyday items, it provides solidity in this structure, unlike other woods. It does not absorb water as easily and it is not as porous. This is useful in a forest like this with the wet weather, as the outside walls of the building will not swell as easily as normal timber. This compared to the other building being the Maritime Museum, in which they use hardwood timber, a much more common building material. Timber is very permeable as water can easily be let in and absorbed into the material, unlike cork. This gives it a quality of permeability. Cork wouldn't be necessary in an environment like the Maritime Museum, as it is not in an environment like the cork house is, which is why timber is more fitting for a situation like this building. These structures do have its differences, like how the cork house's characteristics is solidity, yet the museum is permeability. They are both made from timber, yet material is different and serves a purpose in its environment. And in this last slide, I have the biggest of the three sections I drew. This one is a section of the cork house. Looking at sections like this is interesting, as you can see how many layers are within a building. For example, it's not just the outside of the cork house with cork and windows in that building. There is foundations, insulation, roofing, and the list goes on. Thank you for listening.